They say, money isn't everything. But have you noticed? The ones who say that usually don't have any. I'm the Darklight mentor, and today we're talking about something schools never taught you, but life will punish you for not knowing. Money skills. Every young adult must master. Because here's the truth. If you don't control money, money will control you. I learned this the hard way. When I was younger, I thought making money was enough. Get a job, earn a paycheck, and boom, I'd be set. But no one told me how to manage it. I got paid, and within days, gone. Bills, food, impulsive spending, treating friends, buying things I thought I needed but really just wanted. And then, back to square one, waiting for the next paycheck. And if this cycle sounds familiar, congratulations. You're living paycheck to paycheck. It's time to break out. Here's the first rule. Understand the game. Money is not just paper. It's power. It's freedom. It's the ability to walk away from things that don't serve you. And the rich, they treat it like a tool. They make money work for them instead of slaving away for money. So, let me arm you with 5 skills that'll change your financial future forever. 1. Master the art of budgeting. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll disappear on its own. And no, it's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, fun, entertainment, experiences. 20% for the future, savings, investments. Most people live in reverse, spending 80% on wants, 10% on needs, and saving whatever's left. No wonder they struggle. 2. Get out of debt, fast. Credit cards, student loans, personal loans. They own people. And here's a brutal truth. Banks don't make money from rich people. They make it from broke people paying interest. The longer you carry debt, the more you're throwing money away. Make a plan, cut expenses, find a side hustle, pay off the highest interest debt first. Because debt is a chain, and you need to break free. 3. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A car breaks down, a medical bill shows up, or worse, you lose your job. And when that happens, you don't want to be relying on luck. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of expenses saved. Not for vacations, not for shopping, for survival. 4. Learn how to invest. The biggest money mistake young people make? Waiting too long to invest. Compound interest is a magic trick that only works with time. A $100 investment today could be worth thousands in the future. But if you wait, you lose years of growth. Start small. Stocks, index funds, real estate, even a side business. But start, because your future self is counting on you. 5. Make more money. Cutting expenses is good, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. Learn a high-income skill. Freelancing, coding, digital marketing, public speaking, sales, skills that make you valuable. Money flows to those who solve problems. So ask yourself, what skill can I master that the world will pay me for? And let me tell you this, you don't have to be a genius. You just have to be strategic. Now, I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one bad money habit you're ready to fix today? Your financial future starts with one decision. Make it now. And we meet again tomorrow.